to the Keto Queen. I have some mussels here and they are drenched in garlic and butter sauce. So it doesn't look too appetizing in the beginning. Total carbs here are 7 grams for a half a pack. So that's pretty easy breezy. You can buy these. I get mine from Publix. I know I've seen them in a couple of other stores. Also, I'm throwing in some shrimp. And of course, the shrimp does not have any carbs whatsoever. So again, I'm blending those two. I let them soften up, the mussels soften up. I'm adding some garlic, some pepper, and some additional butter. Oh, you can't have too much garlic. My. Okay, then you just let that cook for 10 to 12 minutes, maximum 15 if you don't want your shrimp rubbery. And voila. So I put half in the plate, trying to be good, but let me just tell you, I went back and got the rest because they were so good. This is a quick and easy keto dish, y'all, like under 10 minutes. It took more time to tape it than it did to make it. So I hope you enjoy it. Real quick and easy. Keto mussels and shrimp. Look at that broth. Ooh, that is so good. All right, keto journey, keto life, Keto Queen. Have a blessed day.